dress we've all been waiting for. Everybody's favorite little oversized romper dress is now available in a polka dot version. Same exact true to size oversized baggy fit that just slouches on your body. It's got the romper underneath coming all the way up. If you somehow don't know about this dress, it's got that oversized fit where it's a little more narrow at the top. Still plenty of room though. It gets wider as it goes down. The romper underneath keeps everything smooth. It's 95% cotton, 5% spandex. So soft and stretchy. Extremely lightweight. It's got that relaxed, slouchy fit to it. This is what it looks like to come through in an oversized dress, and it actually flatters your body. Standing pockets in the front, the perfect mini dress length. Plus you've got the romper underneath. The cutest casual dress outfit for the summer. You're gonna be obsessed. I'm gonna link it below.
Medium mga be, ang ganda. Hoy, ang ganda nito. Small to medium be, ang ganda oh. Perfect. Tapos natali mo siya dito. Ang ganda. One piece me, 129. Code ako dito ng 3. Code 3, mga be. Code ng 3. Code 3, code 3, code 3. Maganda yan, be. Mima, sa'yo na yan, be. Madam, 129. Si Madam, secret. Secret no clue. Secret. Be, SSC with price, diba? Nakapag-wine ka sa akin, diba? Alam mo na yun, be. Mag-SSC kayo with price me, gagayin pa kayo ng iba dyan. Imbes na yung iba, sumusunod na. Next natin. Ba't ba umiha parang tang? Baliw. Ayan, SC129. Next natin. Needed mga be. Needed mga beb. Size medium. Size na medium, tali sa likod. Di tali sa likod mga be. Di tali sa likod, sab tie. Mga beb, padded na to ha. 129. 129, code 4. Code ng 4, code 4, code 4. 129, code ng 4. Ay! Ay, kagi, ang ganda nito, angas nito. May pa ganyan pa be, oh. Taray! Maangas to be, pang gawing bodysuit. Maganda to, may mga gagawing bodysuit, oh. Tapos, Nima, mag-lower, ano ka? Mag-lower back. Mag-lower back ka ng pads, be, oh. Kita yung, ano. Kita yung, ano na to, tataksong. Ganda, be, oh. Sa likod to, eh. Backless siya, be. Hello, Julia! Hi, Julia! Mima! 129. Code ako dito, 4. Mima, next natin. Large on tag. Large on tag. Large on tag mga beb. Ami. Large on tag Mima, oh. Full underward. Full underward. Mima, size na to large. Size large me 129 na lang. Pure underward. Code ako dito ng 2. Code ng 2, Ano pa akong 3 and 1, be? I'm addicted. Floral. Floral song. Oh, no. Okay, magna-next box na tayo mga be. More One Piece. Sige, wait lang. Magna-next box na tayo. New box, new box, new box. Mga be. One Piece, marami pa tayo. Sa new box natin ba meron yan? Ay, ang cute. Hima, may flowers. May flowers, flowers. Paray. May pa-flowers, me. Size to large. Mga be, size large. Size ng large. May pa-flowers be, oh. Perfect. 129. Code ako